I am Varun Kumar. Now we are going to discuss squares and square root of class 8. Introduction. The number obtained by multiplying a number with itself is called a square of that number. Thus, a square of a number is the value of a number raised to power 2. Thus, a square of a equals to a into a equals to a square. 1 into 1 equals to 1, hence a square of 1 equal to 1 square equals to 1. 2 into equals to 4, hence a square of 2 equals to 2 square equals to 4. 3 into 3 equals to 9, hence a square of 3 equals to 3 square equals to 9. A positive integer is called a perfect square only when it is the square of a positive integer. Thus, a positive integer p is a perfect square if p equal to q square, where q is positive integer. We have to memorize the squares of number 1 to 30. If we memorize the number of square 1 to 30, then we are able to solve the problem more easily. Now we are going to absorb from the square table. In this we are observing that the square of a number of one digit is either a one digit number or a two digit number. A square of a number of two digit is either a three digit number or a four digit number. Similarly, a square of a number of three digit is either a five number or a six digit number. Hence, the square of a number of n digit is a number of either 2n minus 1 digit or 2n digits. If the digit at units place in a number is 1 or 9, then the digit at unit place in a square of the number is 1. Example, 99 square. What is the value of 9 square? 9 square is equal to 81. 9 into 9 equals to 81. Similarly, 11 square. What is the value of 11 square? It is 121, having 3 digit of number 1 to 1. It is 3 digit number. When we square 9, we get 2 digit number, that is 8 and 1. If the digit at unit place in a number is 2 and 8, then the digit at unit place in a square of the number is 4. Example, 12 square equals to 144 and 8 square equals to 64. Here we see that at the unit place there is 2 and or in second 8. When there is a 2 and 8, it means that we are getting the answer of a square with a unit digit 4. See next, if the digit at a unit place of a number is 3 or 7, then the digit at a unit place in a square of the number will be 9. See here example, 13 square equals to 169 and 17 square equals to 289. Here you see that 3 and 7 is the unit digit, and thus we get the square with a unit digit 9 in both of it. Next, if the digit at unit place in a number is 4 or 6, then the digit at unit place in a square of number is 6. Example, 14 square 196, 16 square 256. In both of the figure 14 and 16, we see that the square we get have a unit value 6 in both of it. If the digit at unit place in a number is 5, then the digit at unit place in the square of the number is 5. Example, 5 square 25, 15 square 225, etc. In both of the example, we see that if the unit place is 5, then the square we get have a unit place with 5. Next, if the digit at unit place in a number is 0, then the digit at unit place in the square of the number is 0. Example, 10 square equal to 100, 50 square equals to 2500. In both of the figure you see that if a square having 0 unit value, then we get the answer with 2 zero value. Next is the digit at unit place in a perfect square number cannot be 2378. We observed from the square table that we can't get a square with value 2378 at unit place. Next is the digit at unit place in a perfect square number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, but it is not necessary that if the digit at unit place in a number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then the number will be a perfect square. Example 10, 21, 14, 15, 26, 19, etc. Some important facts related to a square number. First, a square of an even number is always an even number. Example 2 square equals to 4, 4 square equals to 16, 6 square equal to 36, etc. Next is a square of any odd number is always an odd number. Example 3 square equals to 9, 7 square equal to 49, 15 square equal to 225. Next is if the number of zeros at the end of number is odd, the number cannot be a perfect square. But if a number of zero at the end of a number is even, then this number will be a perfect square provided the number obtained after leaving the zero in the perfect square. Example 10,000, 4,000, 9 lakh are not a perfect square, but 100, 400, 90,000 are a perfect square. The positive difference of squares of two consecutive positive integers is equal to the sum of two numbers. Example, if n and n plus 1 be a two consecutive natural number, then n plus 1 minus n square equals to n plus 1 plus n into n plus 1 minus n equals to n plus 1 plus n is the answer. Example, 17 square minus 16 square is always equal to 17 plus 16 equals to 33. Another example, 45 square minus 44 square equal to 45 plus 42 equals to 89. But 17 square minus 14 square is 17 plus 14 becomes whatever the answer is, it is not a consecutive natural number, thus we don't get a perfect square. The square of a natural number other than 1 is either a multiple of 3 or multiple of 3 plus 1. Example, 2 square equals to 4 equals to 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 square equals to 9 equals to 3 into 3. 4 square equal to 16 equal to 3 into 5 into 1, etc. The square of a natural number other than 1 is either a multiple of 4 or a multiple of 4 plus 1. Example, 2 square equals to 4 equals to 4 into 1. 3 square equals to 9 equals to 4 into 2 plus 1. 4 square equals to 16 equals to 4 into 4. 5 square equals to 25 equals to 4 into 6 into plus 1. No natural number p and q exist such as p square equal to 2q square. Example, 5 square is not equal to 2.3 square, 7 square is not equal to 2.4 square, 8 square is not equal to 2.7 square, and 13 square is not equal to 2.10 square. The sum of squares of two consecutive natural numbers plus the square of their product is equal to the square of the number obtained on adding 1 to their products. Example, if n and n plus 1 are two consecutive natural numbers, then n square plus n plus 1 whole square plus n into n plus 1 whole square equals to n into n plus 1 plus 1 whole square. Example, 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square equal to 3 square, 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square equal to 7 square, 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square equals to 13 square. Pythagoras triplets or Pythagorean triplets. What is it? A Pythagorean triplet is a set of positive integers a, b and c that fits the rule a square plus b square equals to c square. Example, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 7, 24, 25, 5, 12, 13, 20, 21, 29 and etc. How to generate Pythagorean triplets using a formula? See here, A equals to m square minus n square, B equal to 2m, C equal to n square plus m square, where m and n are positive integer but m is greater than n, and thus we are able to generate the Pythagorean triplets using a formula. A square of any number having 5 in unit place, example 25 square, equals to 2 into 2 plus 1, again 5 square. Here 2 into 2 plus 1 is how much? 2 into 3 equals to 6. So we can write down 6 to 5. It is a shortcut method to find out a square. Similar, and see another example, 45 square. Here we have to do 4 into 4 plus 1 and make a 5 square separately. 4 into 4 plus 1 equals to 4 into 5 equals to 20, and we can write down 25 in the tens and unit place. It is thus the 45 square equals to 2025. Practice 35 square, 55 square, 95 square, 105 square, 115 square. Learn how to take an answer from a question. Method may be adopted to find the square of a number ending in 1. Suppose that we have to find out a square of 2 1 or 11 square equals to 1 2 1, 3 1, or 111 square equals to 1 2 3 2 1, 4 1 square, or 1111 square equal to 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. So in this way we are able to write down the answers directly from the question. Squares of numbers ending in 7 and having all digits on the left of 7 being 7. It is a special case of a square in which if we have a number having a unit place 7 and other number is 6, then we can get the answer easily. Example, 7 square can be written as 49, 67 square can be written as 4489, 667 square can be written as 444889, and 6667 square can be written as 4444889. Similarly, we are able to solve a special case in which we have a problem. Unit place is 7 and other place digit is 6. Squares of number